Hello guys, this is Shiraz Robinson speaking. This is video 3. I will be working on problem 8.4 from the chapter 8 exercises. The particular problem I'm working on is a series, and the problem that I'm going to attack is find the limit as n approaches infinity of 2 log 2 plus 3 log 3 plus ellipses plus n log n over n squared log n. So I think the best way for me to solve this problem is to plug in infinity and see what happens. So if we plug in infinity, we want to have 2 log 2 plus 3 log 3. Oh, that's a mistake. 3 log 3. Yep. Ellipses. Infinity log infinity over infinity squared log infinity. So when you have the log of infinity, what happens is log of infinity equals infinity. So you're going to have log, 2 log 2 plus 3 log 3 ellipses plus infinity times infinity over infinity times infinity. So looking at this, you're just going to get infinity over infinity, and that right there, that's going to be a indeterminate form. Yep, indeterminate form. And that would have to apply that this limit diverges.